I'm here with Lucy, and this video is going to be entirely filmed on a GoPro and the tiny Sony ZV-1 because it's peeing it down. So today's ride, 3 hills, lots of rain. Hopefully I can keep up with Lucy, who's on her brand new bike. I'm on my brand new bike, and yeah, bit of a proper test. I'm out of breath. Well, why do I always choose to film on a hill? You're right.
Yeah, I need coffee. I'm not a morning person either, so I'm okay now, but it was a struggle.
Where's the nearest coffee here?
I had this a McDonald's just over there in that field.
What?
I didn't even like McDonald's. Why did I say that? Just don't include that bit. Have you not heard of
Welter Cycles.
Giro Welter? My brain isn't working. I haven't had coffee. I've got nothing left in my legs.
It's alright, we're only 20% of the way there.
That's not what I wanted here. I'm regretting the beer I drank last night and the breakfast I didn't eat this morning.
Do you want a Percy Pig?
Maybe. This is never normally this hard.
Yeah, it is. Last time I rode up this with you, I did an effort. And then there was loads of people on the side of the road, so I had to keep going.
This is helping actually. I feel stronger already.
What, the Percy Pig?
Yeah.
Yeah, Percy Pig's scientifically proven as one of the best ride foods you can get. All the major food groups, Percy and pig.
Yeah.
Percy, pig, all of it. You know, I actually really like riding in the rain when I haven't got a £2,000 camera on my back.
It's not cold.
Something about it, yeah, it's not cold at all. It's like 13 degrees today, which is good for this time of year. Less people on the roads because of lockdown. Like as soon as the sun's out, everybody comes out to go walking, and people will drive in their cars to the car parks to go walking. So not having that, it's nice. Denby's best climb in Surrey when the gates are open. Gates aren't open.
Still a good climb.
Still a good climb. Top 5, yeah? Wait, what's top 1? What's number 1?
My favourite climb in the Surrey Hills is probably Crichton Lane. It's not like super hard, but it's like a steady gradient all the way up. A lot of the time there's like trees and leaves covering. It's beautiful.
It is nice.
Yeah. It's got like a little like blip in the middle.
Yeah.
But yeah, although I quite often go down it as well. That's probably my top 1. What's yours?
Top 1 when the gates are shut, Broomhall Lane.
Where is that?
I actually couldn't tell you. It's quite hard to find.
Sounds like you've made it up.
Nah, it's like the bottom of Leith Hill, and then a bit further.
Okay.
You do a left and then a left.
Okay.
And then a left.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll have to do it sometime, not today.
Yeah, not today.
But we are gonna do my favourite climb in the Surrey Hills. Right?
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Downhill.
I don't think it's gonna... Who needs gates when you're not that small? I mean, not that big. Now, the best climb in the Surrey Hills.
Yeah, because it's open.
Yeah.
Sorry, Wilier. I love cycling. Lawrence. Lawrence wearing high vis.
Hi. Come on. Come on then.
What's that?
It's my impression of George. He does that little like he's inviting everyone on the vlog to join in.
To go where?
Go to Sainsbury's.
Oh.
Not very exciting.
No.
Do you like my hat though?
Very on brand. Here's a question for the viewers. We don't have cargo bikes because we haven't got space in our house, in our flat, for any more bikes, let alone cargo bikes, which are even bigger. So we end up driving like 5 minutes to the shop, which is kind of bad, and we're aware that there could be better ways to do this. My question is, how much more environmentally friendly and congestion friendly would it be to order food to the house? Like online shopping sort of thing. A lot more? Is it quantifiable? I also hate going to the shop.
You do hate going to the shop. Yeah, you're always insistent that you come with me. No, I said I go on my own. You're like, no, you should really come. I should really go with you.
I feel bad because it sucks.
I don't mind it. I'm very, very, very quick when it comes to a shop. So then what's going on? All the food is reduced at the moment.
Oh, it was so cheap.
I thought like prices are meant to go up of stuff at the moment, not go down.
I think we were lucky.
Yeah. I think they give us a discount when you buy 6 bags of corn. This thing is a lifesaver. Every little helps. Oh wait, no, that's Tesco. Try something new today.
Wasn't making it up. The mountain bike is finally here. So this might go down in history as the slowest bike build in the world ever. Regular viewers of the channel will know that I've been picking parts up for this slowly but surely over the last few months. Now I've got the frame and forks, the only thing left is the wheels. The frame is a Wilier 110 FX. I'm sure there's an Italian way of saying it. Full suspension, short travel, cross-country bike. I've also got these 100mm forks made by Fox. I don't know what any of these buttons do. In fact, the last time I rode a mountain bike was about 10 years ago. And back then I had something branded as a free ride bike. So it was a lot heavier, to say the least. I'm gonna sort out the wheels over the next few days and then do a full build video of the whole bike. And I'm gonna try and involve someone who knows what they're talking about. Because mountain bikes, not my forte. It's horrible and wintry and already dark outside. I need to clean some bikes. I'm gonna sign today's video off here. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any tips in terms of mountain bike setup, let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys soon.